section number 4, may presume. There are three kinds of presumptions which are given in this section: may presume, shall presume, and conclusive proof. Whenever we are talking about may presume, then may presume is something on which the discretion of the court is exercised. Now the court can either consider the fact as proved, or it may call for the proof of that act. So whenever it is declared by this act that the court may presume, then court has discretion that either the court will consider that fact as proved without calling for the proof of it, or the court may in its discretion, without taking a presumption, call for the proof of that fact. This is may presume. Now in shall presume means court shall presume as fact. Whenever it is declared by this act that the court shall presume, then there is no discretion which lies with the court. It is binding, it is mandatory on the part of that court to presume that fact as proved unless evidence to the contrary is given. Now conclusive proof. Conclusive proof basically means when a fact is declared to be conclusive proof of another, the court shall, upon the proof of one fact, declare the another as proved and shall not allow evidence to be given for the purpose of disproving it. There is this maxim: legal presumption is a terrarium, that is, it is in the form of command. So in shall and in conclusive proof, there is no discretion with the court. If one fact is declared to be conclusive proof of another, the court shall, upon the proof of one fact, will declare the another automatically as proved and will not allow evidence to the contrary be given. This is conclusive proof.